These comics are so funny. I love Frank and Ernest. Hey, Brian, give me the remote!
No way. This remote is mine, and you know it. Okay?
Well, give it to me.
No. Whoa. I just felt something weird happen. I just had a vision. I can control people with this remote.
You're right. You're such an idiot, Brian. No one cares about you. You and your little funny pranks.
Oh yeah? Then why does this button say slap yourself?
But Brian, stop it! You're such a retard.
And this one says do a barrel roll.
Brian, stop it!
And this one says change channel. And this one says power off. No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I didn't want him to die.
Now it's my turn. Walk left.
Whoa, what do you... What do you... What? What do you... Whoa.
This one says pause. This one says open doors. This one says slam your head into the door. This one says trip over everything. This one says sit in the chair and rock like crazy.
I hate you.
This one says run upstairs and go crazy. This one says pause. This one says roll down the steps. This one says powering off.
No, don't.
Beep. Wait, where's your remote? There it is. Magnetized to the floor.
I hate you.
Magnetized to metal. Slap yourself. Pause. Unpause.
Give me the remote. Pause. What should I do? Pick your nose. Take off your shirt. Hit your head against the wall 37 times. Taser! I love this guy. Pause. Add to favorites. Play. No.
Now pause. This is what you deserve. Pause. Unpause. 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 Pause. Unpause.
We have to destroy that remote. Right now.
We're not destroying this amazing remote. We can mess with anybody we want. Let's go outside and mess with it. Spin. Walk into trees. Turn around. Walk into the other tree. Turn around. Walk into the other tree. Pause. Jump into this thorn bush. Unpause. Jump into the... Ryan, isn't this thing, like, amazing?
No, it's not.
Why isn't it awesome?
Because you're making me run into a tree.
What happens if we can switch it and make
Shut
it
up!
run?
Ow!
Pause. Volume all the way down. Unpause.
You are a...
Pause. Unpause. Volume up.
You stink.
Pause. Stop laughing, suckers. Gosh, what's that noise? Hello? Hello? Volume all the way down. It won't turn off. No, guys, don't take my remote. Don't take it. No. I want my remote.
Hey, wait. I can just use this remote to deal with those two idiots down there. Start beating each other up. Ha ha ha. I love them, but I love them beating each other up also. Ha ha ha. This is some sort of stupid lesson from God. But it'll all make sense later. Just watch.
Pause. It's our stupid neighbor Pedro. Get him! They're gonna get you, Pedro!
Two. But how did he pretend to be God in the first place?
I have no idea how did it.
How did he summon this magical remote from your hand?
The force.
Unless, of course, we're not the only ones in this universe. So, like,
This decides who wins his remote.
how are we gonna make this go down?
I don't know. Rock, paper, scissors? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I won. Fair and square.
Pause. Unpause. Pause. Unpause. Shoot.
That's not fair.
I won.
No, you didn't.
Alright, redo. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Pause. Unpause. Shoot. I win the remote.
Nobody wins it. You know what?
What?
Open portal. I have to get rid of this remote by throwing it into this portal. It's too powerful. Yeah.
Like, what the heck, dude? Now I don't have the remote.
It
You're
was
so dumb.
It was too powerful.
No, it wasn't. Why do you have to do stuff so dumb?
Well, it would have killed us.
No, it wouldn't
It
have.
would have killed us like it would have killed Pedro.
No, it wouldn't have. Get it back.
Okay, I will. Just get away from me. Okay, dude, I'll get it back. Just don't shoot me. I'll find out who made it and why and stuff, and I'll make a new one. Just don't kill me.
You have 1 hour to get that remote back or find a new one. So help me gosh. I will pull this trigger.
So, God, please let something give me a sign of who made this remote or why or how I can make a new one. What the heck?
Pedro made it, but you killed him.
You mean Pedro, the guy who pretended to be God and stole our remote?
Yeah, but you killed him.
Why didn't you tell me that sooner? He must have used magic. I'll use magic to make a new remote so I can control everything. Finished. But wait, I thought of something. He could use it against me. The batteries. Okay. Alright. Let's go. Hey, Drake. I built this new remote.
Well, give it to me then.
Promise we can share it?
Sure.
Swear?
Mm-hmm.
Cross your heart, hope to die?
Mm-hmm. Just hand it over.
Pinky swear?
Mm-hmm.
Pinky swear?
Mm-hmm. What's that other thing in your hand?
Nothing. I'm not making the same mistakes again.
Pause.
This remote
Pause.
doesn't work on me.
Pause.
While I was working on that remote, I also built my secret weapon in case you tried to go crazy with
Pause.
it.
Pause.
It doesn't work on me, okay?
Pause.
It doesn't work
on you.
Because I built it. I built it special. I'm not making the same mistakes again. It's not gonna work on me, okay? And it won't work on this gun either.
Don't kill me. Please.
No, we're not brothers. I'm gonna use this remote.
Don't kill me.
I have to. But I can't live with myself either. I can't live with this world, in fact. This whole world's kind of run down. Destroy Earth. One second. Oh, sorry, it was Sandy. She wants to go on a date with me. I told her no, I'm blowing up the world. Destroy the world. I've doomed us all.
Breaking news! We just blew up the world!
Nobody's watching this.
Are they? I don't think so.
But now we're the last 2 humans on Earth. With one remote that can destroy everything.
Shut up. Deep.